DJI, a company best known for revolutionizing aerial filming and handheld stabilization, appears poised to make a bold leap into a new territory, the full-frame mirrorless camera market. Recent leaks and industry buzz suggest that DJI is developing a high-end interchangeable lens camera possibly named the DJI Ronin Mirrorless. If true, this would represent DJI's most significant step yet into conventional photography and videography, far beyond its existing lineup of drones, gimbals, and cinema-focused devices like the Ronin 4D. While DJI has earned its place in professional imaging with tools like the Ronin 4D already used in major Hollywood productions such as *Civil War* and the upcoming F1 movie, this rumored camera could signal a new direction. Instead of entering the crowded mirrorless market with just another hybrid camera, DJI seems to be crafting a tool tailored for serious creatives, blending high-end video features with cutting-edge still capabilities. At the heart of this camera is said to be a 45-megapixel full-frame sensor. That resolution strikes a sweet spot, sharp enough for detailed crops and large prints, but still efficient enough for manageable file sizes and workflows. Speculation suggests that Hasselblad, partly owned by DJI, may have had a hand in the sensor's design. If true, it could mean superior color science and tonal range, rivaling even medium-format systems. Some rumors also hint at AI-powered photo features, such as smart upscaling that could boost a 24MP image to a 96MP output using machine learning. This would allow creators to save on storage without sacrificing detail, an attractive prospect for fast-paced shooters and mobile professionals. When it comes to video, this camera is expected to pack serious capabilities. Internal 4K recording at up to 120 FPS is reportedly on the table, enabling ultra-smooth slow-motion footage without external recorders. Even more impressive is the possibility of internal ProRes RAW support, a feature typically reserved for high-end cinema rigs. For filmmakers, this means maximum control in post-production with no need for bulky add-ons. Perhaps most exciting is the rumored stabilization tech. Drawing inspiration from the 4-axis gimbal found in the Ronin 4D, DJI may implement a similar in-body system in this camera, adding vertical stabilization alongside traditional 3-axis support. If true, this could drastically improve handheld footage, making complex shots possible without needing additional gear. DJI's deep experience in AI is also expected to play a key role. Predictive autofocus, subject tracking, and real-time recognition of people, animals, or objects could bring autofocus performance to new heights. Think intuitive touch-to-focus systems that track subjects fluidly across a scene, ideal for wildlife, action, and cinematic work. Another potential game-changer is mount compatibility. And like most brands that lock users into a single lens ecosystem, DJI may allow for multiple mounts like Sony, Canon EF, or L mount, possibly through swappable modules or adapters. This would drastically reduce the cost of switching systems and appeal to professionals who already own a wide array of lenses. On the user interface side, DJI may bring a modern touch, with a smartphone-like experience built on a clean touchscreen UI. Inspired by the Android-based interface seen in some Hasselblad models, this could offer intuitive menu navigation, live preview, and remote control via DJI's apps, ideal for creators who demand speed and simplicity. There's also talk of significant internal storage up to 512 GB, which could act as a failsafe in harsh environments where swapping cards isn't an option. Combined with external card slots, this would give users more flexibility and peace of mind on long or unpredictable shoots. Despite its pro-level specs, the camera is expected to follow DJI's established design ethos: compact, lightweight, and rugged enough for field use. Durable materials, weather sealing, and ergonomic controls would make it suitable for handheld filming, gimbal mounting, or studio use alike. Taken together, these features don't just point to a new camera, they suggest a complete imaging ecosystem. From advanced stabilization and high-res video to AI tools and versatile lens support, DJI is positioning this system as a future-ready solution for professionals who demand flexibility, reliability, and innovation. If even part of these rumors materialize, DJI could disrupt the mirrorless space the same way it transformed aerial filmmaking. With smart design choices and a focus on real-world usability, this upcoming release could push competitors like Sony, Canon, and Panasonic to rethink how they serve hybrid shooters. A new era in mirrorless creativity may be on the horizon, and DJI is aiming to lead the way.